I had the antenna break off of my 2005 GMC Sierra. Broke right off. I've tried soldering, I've tried everything trying to keep it on, but it will not stay on. So I went to my local scrapyard, picked up this for under 10 bucks for a whole brand new antenna. Well, not brand new, it's new to me. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. So, piece of trim here. Just get your fingers underneath the back of it, and then lift up, comes right out. Set that to the side, and then there will be 3 bolts that are 932s. So, keep those to the side, do not lose them. And then you just lift up on this. May take some prying, but should be able to pop it right off, and then you're left with this end. So, I'm going to grab the new antenna, grab the piece off of it. May need pliers to do this. Set that to the side. And then put it back in there. May want to use a little bit of silicone or something on the outside edge to make sure it stays in there. There, we're in. So now, I'm going to bolt it in. Hand tight with just the palm of your hand. Just makes it easier so you don't snap bolts or strip them or any of that. There we go. So now we're installed. Let's put our trim piece back in. Let's take our antenna. I will be tightening this later on, just to make sure it works. This is for the test. So, good as new. Okay, let's turn around and see what we got. She works.